Hi, this is a Kantion 4-jet flame cigar lighter. Very cool lighter that has a 4-torch flame. Kind of hard to see in the light here, but this thing is awesome. It looks like almost like a carbon fiber outside. It has a little area on the top here where you can rest your cigar after it's lit. The cigar lighter is meant to be windproof, so even in a really strong wind, you can start it and you're going to be able to light your cigar very easily. It also has a small little punch cigar cutter in the bottom that is very convenient for getting the great cut on your cigar. Anyway, very elegant, very impressive, very easy buy on Amazon.